Now I'm ready and now we are heading to a cafe, like a good, peaceful cafe where we are going to sit and decide what to do next. The first thing that I'll be doing is dissect my average day. How does it look? Most of the time, it's like I'm on my bed or I'm at a cafe and scrolling phone. And I'm just spending my money just to look aesthetically good, but I'm not doing anything except thinking and being in my head. But still, I will write it down. Here is my notebook with me, and I'll be writing my average day. How does it look like? Like the first thing. So this is how my average day looks like. I wake up around in between 11:12, then I do my brunch around 12:15, and then I push myself, scroll in between this time, and then do household chores. Then I start working at 4:30 p.m. I keep thinking about these things. I do nothing but just keep thinking during the working hours. And then I sleep tirelessly after having dinner at 9:30 and ending my work around 2 or 2:30. I sleep like 2:30 at night. So now I have to write down how did I feel while doing everything. I actually feel tired. After scrolling for hours, I used to feel shit. In my mind, I knew that I was not doing anything. I was just scrolling my phone whole day in the name of taking inspiration. Now, the third step to do this is to prioritize, restructure, and remove few things that I don't want to continue. So the first thing that I'm going to prioritize is what do I need to learn first? What do I need to focus first? Because learning video editing, Arabic, and then being able to understand Quran Sharif when you're reading it, this is not possible all at once. So you have to prioritize what is more important and also the studying part. That is very confusing. In my head, it's like, should I go into the studying or do something else, like upskill myself, either prepare for exam or have something of my own? Because the content is something, even if it is going to work, even if it is not going to work, I'm going to continue this for, I don't know, but I am going to continue this for a very long period of time. So that is non-negotiable. That is going to be there. So the first priority is my content. Except work. Work is there. We are not going to change anything with it. It is going to be there. The first thing is content. The second thing is UQ. That is a course that I wanted to do since 1 year and I'm postponing it. So, and learning Arabic is not a very tough task. I'm going to give only 15-20 minutes per day because it is not something that has a deadline. I can do it in 1 year, 2 year, that is fine. Learning Arabic is something that I'll be doing by lying on bed. I can do that. Like instead of scrolling, I'm going to use an app to learn Arabic. I want to be authentic. I don't want to fake anything that I'm not doing. I don't believe in. But yes, for the editing part, we are going to keep 1 hour every day to edit the videos. But I also need to learn DaVinci Resolve, which I don't know. I usually edit my videos in CapCut. So the second thing that I'll be doing is learning DaVinci. And for that also, I'll be needing 1 hour. So 1 hour for DaVinci Resolve, 1 hour for my EQ course, and at least 3 hours to study. So I'll need 5 hours except the working hours for myself to do something that will make me feel, yes, I'm on the right path. And that's it. Let's not complicate it a lot. I'm going to start a series where it will be very, very related to my life, that the structure I need in my life. It will be a challenge for 21 days where the challenge is to have a screen time lower than 2 hours. Even if I am editing my videos in CapCut, it should be lower than 2 hours. It should be. In last 1 week, my screen time has been on an average of 10 hours, which is very high, very high. So if I can scroll phone for 10 hours, of course, I can give 5 to 6 hours to myself. Goal is to have 2 hours screen time per day and focus on 3 wins. The first one is mental win, the second one is physical, and the third one is spiritual. Because I'm Muslim, I'm going to pray 5 times a day for the next 21 days. Apart from this, I have a very exciting thing that I'm going to do with all of it. And that is, I'm going to take a notebook, buy a notebook, say a diary, and I'm going to document it, all my thoughts, the hurdles and everything, and what is working and what is not. And I'll be sharing that whole after the challenge. Maybe I'm not sure about when I'm going to share that with you guys, but I will share that for sure, because I can't share everything in 30 seconds each day. So I'll be writing it down in my notebook or say diary, and I'll be sharing that. If I'll have good uh say subscribers or followers that I think will want that, be valuable for them, I am going to share it. Third thing is done. It was like prioritizing. Now I want to structure, promise. Even if I'm going to fail, I'm going to share that too. So that is, I'm not going to hide anything, because I think if I'll do good, it will inspire a lot of people. But even if I won't do good, like I haven't done so far, it will be relatable to you guys. That's it. And now the last step is to prepare a whole week plan. I want you guys to watch everything and see that will be coming. I'm very sure that it is going to help all of you. Let's see you in the next video.